Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the 4 R's of gut healing, a functional medicine approach to restore your gut health and tackle issues like leaky gut, inflammation, and dysbiosis. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove. This is all about eliminating factors that damage your gut lining. Think food sensitivities like gluten, dairy, soy, eggs, and corn, pathogens. Yep, addressing bacterial, fungal, or parasitic infections is key. And don't forget about irritants like alcohol, caffeine, and processed foods. Even some medications can harm your gut, so always consult your doctor. Step 2. Replace. Here, we focus on restoring essential components for digestion and absorption. Digestive enzymes can really help break down food and improve nutrient uptake. Low stomach acid? Supplement with hydrochloric acid, HCl, to boost digestion. And if you're having trouble with fat digestion, supporting bile production is crucial. Step 3. Reinoculate. This step is about balancing your gut bacteria. Probiotics are your friends here. Think supplements or fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Also, prebiotics like onions, garlic, and asparagus feed those good bacteria, helping them thrive. Step 4. Repair. Now let's heal and restore that gut lining. L-glutamin, an amino acid, is fantastic for this. Collagen supports the structural integrity of your gut lining, while zinc is essential for gut repair and immune function. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, and herbs like slippery elm and marshmallow root can soothe and protect your gut. Remember, the 4 R's protocol should be personalized. Work with a healthcare professional, preferably a functional medicine practitioner, to tailor your gut healing plan. Don't forget lifestyle factors like stress management, adequate sleep, and regular exercise. They're crucial too. By following the 4 R's of gut healing, you can take a proactive approach to restoring your gut health and improving your overall well-being. Thanks for watching, spread the word, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.